Hey everybody, welcome to Plastic Nostalgic. Today is a special day, so I have a guest on the show today, and it's the resident Lego lady, Mommy.
Hello.
And it is a special day because it is our anniversary, and we've been married for 100 years.
No, only 23.
So today, she's going to build this Lego set number 40197. It's a couple of Lego minifigures getting married. So let's get into this. Today on our anniversary, we have Lego set number 40197. It has 132 pieces, and you can see the little wedding arch, the heart at the top, and the lucky couple getting married there with the groom holding the ring and the bride holding the bouquet. And on the back, you can see they have a wedding cake and various hairs to choose from, in addition to the hat. So always remember to be careful when using a knife. Let's get these bags out of here and see what we got. Okay, that's everything. Now that it's all built, we have the little wedding scene with the wedding arch and the neat little heart on top of it. You can see the groom holding the wedding ring and the bride holding the bouquet. The little walk up to the altar, or the wedding cake, lined with flowers. Those gold lamps look pretty neat off of that arch right there. And in the back, see the little railing with the ornaments on it. A couple of flowers, and of course that multi-tiered wedding cake with the lovely couple on top. Lego set number 40197. This one. Thanks for joining us today on our special day on Plastic Nostalgic. Happy anniversary, Mommy.
Happy anniversary, Daddy.
See y'all next time.
Bye.